In this video, I will show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to mobile phone hotspot. So if you want your Nintendo Switch 2 to be able to use the internet data connection of your mobile phone, this video is going to guide you step by step. First things first, you want to go ahead and get your phone. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you just want to go ahead and get your phone, then head over to the settings of your phone. Open up the settings of my phone. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that your data connection is turned on. So if you scroll over to the top notification center over here, you can literally see my mobile phone data. I will go ahead and make sure it is turned on. And then you also want to make sure that the portable hotspot of your phone is turned on or enabled. To do this, once you get to the settings, just come over to this search in page feed over here and search for hotspots. Once you search for hotspot on iPhones, it is actually called personal hotspot, but on Android phones, most Android phones, it is called the portable hotspot. So you want to go ahead and select it just like so. Make sure that portable hotspot is turned on, and then under the set portable hotspot settings over here, you just want to go ahead and take note of your hotspot name and your hotspot password. You can click here just to find your hotspot password. In most iPhones, the SSID option, which is actually the name of the hotspot, is also the name of the phone. So you just want to keep that at the back of your mind. Once you've taken note of your hotspot name and hotspot password, go ahead and click on the done button over here. Now you want to come over to your Nintendo Switch 2 and then head over to the settings. So scroll down and then scroll horizontally until you get to the settings icon over here. Select that. Now you want to scroll down until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that as well and then click on internet settings. Now your Nintendo Switch 2 will start to look for available Wi-Fi's and hotspot networks it can actually connect to. And as long as your mobile phone hotspot is turned on, you should be able to find the name of your hotspot as one of the devices over here under the networks found. Now you can literally see the name of my hotspot, so I'll just go ahead and select it over here. Now proceed to enter the same password that we saw under the set portable hotspot settings. Once you're done, just come over here and click on the OK button, and it is now trying to connect to my mobile phone hotspot. And just like so, we have now successfully connected our Nintendo Switch 2 to the mobile phone hotspot. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.